Okay, so editor links. And this controls whether the editor should detect links and make them clickable. So let me just show you an example of that. We have this index.html file here, and we have several links. Some are relative, some are absolute. And if you command click, you can actually go to that link, right? Like on this one, for example. And then you have this little dialog if you want to trust that source and all that good stuff. But the main idea is that VS Code will either automatically detect and make the link clickable, or if you set this to false, this is just like normal text, and you can command click or control click and nothing happens. I think this is pretty useful, and I've found myself several times clicking my own links to see if everything is working. So I think it's definitely useful to have the setting set in its default value, which is true.